Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is day I have no idea. 31 days of Halloween. I will insert the date right here. Hashtag 31 days of Halloween. This is going to be another eye look. I did tell you I was going to just mix it up. It wasn't all going to be looks, so try not to be as draining on me. Take but an hour on a look, and most of my looks don't take but an hour. If less. Usually less. I don't think I've hit an hour yet for a look. The cleaning process to removing that takes not as long, but like 30 minutes to clean it off. So I get wore out. So these are to help me not to get as wore out, but still throw up something Halloweeny and something good. You know, something you can wear day to day, or you know, whatever out there, a fall look. And I love that fall look with a fall tag. Now this is not going to be with a tag, but I decided I'm going to do a candy corn eye. Won't probably draw any candy corns on my eye, but we're going to do the look. We're going to do the colors and see how creative we can get. I'm going to do it with a twist. One side's going to be eyeshadow. The other side is going to be liquid lipsticks. Specifically, Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks. Remember I bought these to specifically draw on my face because I wasn't ever going to wear a yellow lipstick, or never mind, I wear oranges all the time, but yellow I'm not going to ever wear on my lips. So, except for the extreme look. So I bought this specifically to be able to draw on my eyeball because they're vegan and eye safe and all that good stuff. Some allergic to carmine, and I can't use NYX's Vivid Bright liners or anything like that. The only thing is there's not a white in here. I meant to buy a white lipstick from him, and I just never got around to it because he had all these amazing launches that I had to buy first. So I will come up with something. I have an eyeliner I think will work fine to do that with. But we're gonna do I'm gonna prime both my eyes because otherwise oils will break through. They'll break down anything. Okay, I still have some red. We're going to ignore it and hopefully I can cover it up. Like there's no way without washing my face entirely I was gonna get the red off my eyeballs. So we're rolling. And I'm gonna use the Norvina palette. I think I can accomplish what I want with this palette. I'm going to C1, which is the white shade in here. This is Norvina Volume 1. I'll place that there and see how it shows up. Good pigment. Pretty much going matte with this. Wet my brush a tiny bit. As much pigment as I can to show up. Now I'm going to actually mix the white with the yellow in D1 because it's not the uberest bright yellow. The E2, which orange is kind of a brighter orange. Gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to go back in my Maybe Cosmetics palette. I'm actually going to put Golden Sands up there into the crease just to like have something up there to blend some of that out. This is called Flamethrower, the orange one, and Queen Bee is the yellow. I'm going to take the Infallible L'Oreal Infallible White. Most of these don't have carmine. I got a couple blues that don't have carmine. queen bee. A flamethrower. Maybe before you saw that, you thought that was vibrant. So, jazz that up some more. I'm going to take this burnished sienna from Stila. Do like a quick little liner movement with it. And how extreme we do a new lip or I don't have a white one, otherwise I'd do totally cotton or candy corn lips, but you know, I have work. I don't think the eyeliner would go great on my lips, so just like this. Y'all, I binge watched American Horror Apocalypse. I've been waiting for that to come on Netflix. So good. I need to buy the seasons, or most of the seasons. I didn't buy Freak Show or Cult. Alright, here it is. Candy corn, 2 different ways. 3 counts. So yeah, I mean, you have to go this extreme. You just do an orange lip. I mean, I have summer oranges. This orange. But you know, to go totally fun, dandy. Yeah. Even chocolate candy corns up here. I mean, I could do that. I'd like to see that. Like it would take 2 seconds. But I figured I'd give y'all 2 different ways to have candy corn. Like with the lipsticks, it's just very punchy, very vibrant. I mean, this, if you weren't looking at that, you thought that was very, very vibrant. Or you know, get this little candy corn stickers and just do it your thing. Draw your thing. And let me tell you what, slap on a witch's hat, have like an orange and black striped shirt or something, Lacey's number, or even just a black lace number, or black dress. Candy corn witch. Easy, easy peasy, 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 peasy. Which I never heard of until I saw a costume. I think I got my niece one year. Like, when she was younger. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.